There's lots of different types of creatine, right? There's like gummies now,
Yeah.
there's monohydrate, there's all kinds of creatines. Over New Year's again, I was looking at different types of creatine. So I went to the shop, and this sounds crazy, but I bought like 30 types,
Uh-huh.
and I just started researching it. And I realized that there's like a better form of creatine.
Yeah.
And there's some creatines which aren't so good, i.e., ones that have many things added to them,
Yeah.
etc.
Yeah, I mean, creatine is pretty simple. I always present it in sort of two forms to people because there's one creatine monohydrate and then there's one called creatine hydrochloride. And the only difference is what it's bound to. The creatine monohydrate is bound to a H2O molecule and the hydrochloride is bound to a hydrochloric acid molecule. And so what happens when that's ingested in your body is that one's more absorbable than the other. The hydrochloride is more absorbable than the other. So you could take lower dosages of that. The creatine monohydrate is usually taken in a higher dosage, and now there's some new research coming out that states that I used to think that it was just 5 grams for everybody,
Mhm.
but now they're finding that people that are like upwards of 200 pounds or more, they might benefit from like 8, 9, 10 grams per day. So bigger dosages there. And people who are at 120 pounds or so, and maybe some of the females and female athletes, like they might benefit from even just 2 to 3 grams of creatine monohydrate. Hydrochloride is usually in lower dosages anyway, so a comparative dose of 5 grams of monohydrate might equal out to 2 to 3 grams of hydrochloride.